Hey everyone, this is SEMO-MAC here, bringing you another content video. This time, instead of doing an actual tabletop or review, I'm actually going to do a little run test on one of the 2500 watt inverter generators that I have, that I've done a tabletop on for you a while back on a couple videos back. So I said I'd get y'all some run content. Well, today's the day. So full disclosure, like I said, I have bought these with my own money, but I will leave a link to this product in my in the description. It'll also be in the comments. I am an Amazon affiliate, so there will be a link in there for that. That will take you straight to Amazon. So you know, I do get a little bit of, and I say a little bit of money off of that, and that actually helps me out so I can keep doing this and bringing y'all more content with more products. So, and if y'all don't remember, it's that little bad boy right there. It is a little beauty. So let's get this tested. All right, everyone, I am back here. I got this little set up. I've got this little 1500 watt heater hooked up. I'm hooked up here to my little watt meter as well. See if I can get that where I can actually see that for you. All right, so this generator will actually put out 1800 watts of running watts, and it has a surge up to 2500. So this would be a good test for this because it peaks out at 1500 watts, and this should give you a good idea of what this little generator can handle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it out on the fan. So as you can see here, we're going to turn the fan on, and it is blowing. We are currently running 22.8 watts, and this is running in eco mode. And when I turn this up on low, you're going to hear it kick up. You hear it kick up there, starting to rev. I do have the max on heat, so it is at its max on the far as the thermostat is concerned. So we're running about 800, so around 885, 84, around there. That's on low. And notice, no problem with this generator, especially on eco mode. It is really quiet. We will walk back here a little bit as I have this on the eco mode, and you can hear me just as plain as day. Very quiet. I'm at 25 feet, and that's what it sounds like at 25 feet with a load of running or almost 900 watts running on that little generator. So that's not bad at all. If you're inside your house, you're not going to hear this thing at all. If you're at camping, you're not going to hear anything. I mean, these are definitely great for your camper. If you're camping, stuff like that, you're not, you know, if you need to run it at night, you know, your neighbors ain't going to complain because these jokers are extremely quiet. And yes, they are only 2500, but like I said, I've got two. I can run them in parallel. I'll do some content on that, but let's get back up here and let's turn this thing on high. We are now on high. We're producing roughly around 1425. So I'm gonna say steady around 1425. So 1,425 watts is what we're pumping out. So a little bit less than what that is. It's rated at 1500. Hear how quiet that thing is. I'm talking normal, I'm not shouting. And now let's go back and let's walk at 25 feet again. Here we are at 25 feet. So yeah, that ain't bad. Let's see, since this is stabled, what we're running. Since it's stabled, we're running around 1408. So can't beat that, guys. All right. Well, hey, this was a run test for you, and all right, there we go. So hey, this is SEMO-MAC here, giving you a little run test of this little 2500 inverter generator. Yeah, I mean, this thing's awesome. They have worked really well for me. So yeah, there's our little run test for this little 2500 inverter generator. Hope y'all enjoyed that. You got to see it a little bit in action, running that 1500 watt heater. As you can see, it does it with no problem, and it actually had a little bit more juice left over. I still had around 100 watts that I could actually run on this as far as the running watts. So with that being said, hey, if you stuck with me this long, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that follow, and hit that subscribe. So with that being said, this is SEMO-MAC telling you to always be kind and to enjoy life. And I will catch y'all on the next video. SEMO-MAC out.